This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls. They are made in America and sold in the USA through a factory-authorized dealer network. The units use stamped slotted panel construction, which is cheaper but does not protect the condenser coil, as well as units with louvered panels. They have durable powder coat paint and are field convertible from roof mount, down discharge, to slab mount, side discharge. The PHE4 models are basic heat pumps with a 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency that have variable speed blower motors for quieter and more efficient operation. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 25 kilowatts for supplemental heating, but they have a 74 decibel noise rating, which is roughly double the noise from a standard washing machine. The guarantee on the units is only average, without a unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HVAC Repair Guy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel.